Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a smart and exciting recipe 4-in-1 aloo roll. With just one roti, you will make 4 crispy potato roll. It's quick, budget-friendly and perfect for tea time, lunch boxes or surprise guests. Let's start the recipe. First, let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well. Gradually pour in 1/3 cup water and knead into a smooth dough. Rub a little oil over the dough and let it rest. Now let's make the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon onion. Add 1 chopped green chili. Half teaspoon crushed cumin, half teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. Let them release their wonderful aroma. Now add 2 boiled mashed potatoes and season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Add 2 tablespoon green peas and cook everything together for 1 minute. Now add some chopped coriander leaves. Then remove from the heat and let the filling cool. Now take a portion of the dough and roll it into a thin roti. Cut it exactly as shown to create 4 sections. Place the potato filling on each piece. 1 roti can easily be transformed into 4 delicious snack rolls. Fold them as shown and seal the edges to make 4 beautiful mini rolls. Seal the edges properly so the filling stays inside. Heat oil over medium heat and fry the rolls until they become golden brown, crispy and perfectly crunchy. Fry over medium heat for a crispy outside and soft center. Mini rolls cook faster and are perfect for sharing. Our 4-in-1 aloo rolls are ready. These bite-sized snacks are great for parties, picnics and kids' lunch boxes. Serve them hot with ketchup or mint chutney and enjoy every bite. Simple, creative and absolutely satisfying. Thank you for watching Oven Cake and Cookies. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies.